I was sent this handheld UV nail lamp, and this is great for travel and small spaces. So it really tucks up nicely and you can move it however you want. You could also just hold it in one hand if you want to. So this part's the lamp, but it attaches very nicely right there. And then here's that on-off button. So you just do a long hold there, and then that's gonna shine a light under your nails, and you can do 20 seconds or 60 seconds. I'm gonna put on gel nail polish and I'll actually cure it for you on camera so that you can see it in action. Also comes with a USB charger, which you just charge right there. So super simple to use and has a nice little base to it. So let's see it in action. Also, once it's on, once you just put your finger underneath it, it automatically turns on to a 20-second timer. This is just so convenient and so easy to use for curing your gel nail polish. I think you're gonna love it.